So you want to share your calendar with your team. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Calendar. Here we are inside of our Google Calendar. Over here at the bottom, scroll down to My Calendars. Now, the good news is you can share your calendar. The bad news is you can't share all of it at once. So we are going to share the main calendar. That's where we click on options for this calendar. Display this calendar, settings. So we're going to click settings and sharing. And it's here, the settings for this calendar, we're going to go down to shared with, because you can see it pops up. It's just me, the owner, and right underneath you see add people or groups. So you click here and you can add individuals and set up the permissions. So here it could be by email or by name. And if you have a group, you've got an email group, you add them here. Now, the important part is the permission, because you want to make sure you're giving them the access that you want them to have. So we're going to go through the permissions. The first one is see all event details. The next one is see only free, busy, and it hides the details. The next would be make changes to events. So they have access to make changes to your events. And the next one after that is make changes and manage sharing. So that was sharing our calendars. Subscribe for more Google Workspace tutorials to help you save more time and make more money using the tools you already have.